Question number 28. A beam of power with light power P has an area of cross section A. The amplitude of the light waves is X. Okay. See, somewhere power, area, amplitude is given. So what we do is, we know intensity of the wave is given by power by area. This implies power should be equal to area into intensity. But what is intensity? Intensity is square of the amplitude. I'll write this as square of the amplitudes multiplied by area A. Okay. The amplitude of the wave. The beam of light is then changed to one with the same frequency but with an increase of amplitude 4x. Okay, with an increase of amplitude 4x, which means this becomes 4x the whole square. And then the area of cross section is A by 3. A by 3. Okay, so what is the new power? What is the new power of the P dash? So what we do? So P dash is equal to, this should be 16x square A divided by 3, which should be 16 by 3 into x square into A. What is x square into A? P. So therefore this should be 16 by 3 times P over here. So thus, what is 16 by 3? So 3 5s are 15 and 10 5.2p. So 5.2p or 5.3p. So closest is 5.3p. The answer is B over here.